Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video here on the ONYX Automotive YouTube channel. Today we're going to be applying xpel Satin PPF to this gloss black Porsche Taycan. As it sits right now, it is already complete, so I'm not going to give away the car to you yet on the way it looks. But not only is the xpel Satin PPF going to protect the entire car from some stone chips and scratches, it's also going to transform the entire look. Originally this car came in gloss black. I'll show you some footage right now of that. And by the end of this video, it's going to have a brand new look. It's going to go from gloss to satin. Anyway, we're going to show you the entire transformation right now and the application process. Enjoy. So the Porsche Taycan has now been transformed completely. You can see now the car has a satin look across the whole vehicle without having to change the paintwork. We literally applied the xpel Satin PPF and this is exactly the outcome. Let me know what you guys think of this transformation down in the comments. Do you think it was better in gloss? Do you think it was better in satin? Let me know what you guys think, but don't forget, now it's satin, it's also protected the original paintwork underneath. If you guys are interested in having your car PPF'd, make sure you check out the website and check out all the different packages we have to offer. And also make sure you subscribe and notifications on, because if you did enjoy this PPF video, we do a lot more videos as well on PPF, as well as detailing and bodywork repairs also. So make sure you go check out all the videos and subscribe and notifications on, and we'll see you guys in the next one.